What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Abby, and today I am going to teach you how to catfish, okay? I have been struggling with this ponytail. She be looking a little rough, she be looking a little crazy, and so I found a hack that really helps me feel like my ponytail has life, has energy, has a personality, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna dive right into it. And I'm gonna share everything. Right now, I'm looking a little rough. This hair, it was washed yesterday, but I went to the gym this morning, so I'm looking a little crazy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is actually detangle this because I'm gonna be putting it into a ponytail like this high, and I don't like for it to look like super puffy. I've been obsessing over this olive oil ORS hair lotion. This thing is a game changer. I remember back in the day, like my mom would use this all the time on my hair as a little girl, but as I grew older, I just stopped. But I don't know why, because it's so good. So now that the hair is detangled, you're gonna go ahead and put your hair into a ponytail the way you like. I like to have mine like kind of high. Whatever process you use, whatever product you use, I would say go ahead and do that. I'm going to be using some of my Eco Styler gel, and I'm also going to be using some of this braid gel to put my hair up. I like a really sleek ponytail, like snatch me up, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And really, like, it's super simple. So I'm gonna take some of this Eco Styler gel and put it around the perimeter of my hair. I literally just like apply like this. I like to use a lot of gel, but I don't like to overload my hair with gel because then I feel like my ponytail is super slippery. Make sure it's sleek. And I'm gonna grab some hair ties. I like to use 2 of these like oversized ones and just tie that thing up. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up this ponytail. Make sure it's looking decent all over. I'm gonna take my hair and put it in a tight little bun and tie her up. And this just doesn't give. Like, I don't want to walk around with this little ponytail like this. I need something full, I need something big. I like using this braid gel because it really like snatches up my hair and makes me look like super snatched too. And this is gonna guarantee that these flyaways do not move. If you needed a hack for that, definitely use this. I like to just take a baby hair brush and brush some things back. I'm actually gonna take out some baby hairs too. It's just something about this gel that, you see that? It just like snatches your hair up like, I love it. All right, now let's get to the catfishing, okay? I know this is what we've been waiting for. So my trick is always to use a drawstring ponytail, but it's not just any drawstring ponytail. You have to get a drawstring ponytail that fits your hair texture, that's gonna look like it's your hair. Now mine is looking a little crusty, but that's on purpose, okay? This is actually the Made Zollipop 10-inch drawstring ponytail. She comes in different colors and she doesn't look like this when you buy her, okay? She actually looks very formed, very nice, very uniformed curls. But for a more realistic approach to this bun, I went ahead and went in here and, you know, stretched out some of the curls and made them look a little bit more like what my hair would look like if I was doing just like a lazy girl ponytail, okay? I love this because it has the 2 combs and it snatches onto your hair. That's why I made my bun so small, because I really wanted to snatch. And then it also has this like little drawstring right here, obviously because it's a drawstring ponytail, for you to make sure that it don't move. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. I see. And I'm not gonna do this too tight, because what happens is like in an hour I'm gonna have a headache because this thing is so dang tight. Wrap that around. I only do it like once, and I hide the little drawstring. And then we have this look, but this is not where it ends. You wanna make sure you have an additional scrunchie, which I don't have, and I need to look for one. Hold on. When I have the hair like this, obviously like if you like the messy look and you wanna keep it out, you can do this, but I'm aiming for a bun. So what I'm gonna do is just literally wrap this around in a messy bun type of vibe. Wrap around. And tuck. And that's it. You have a full ponytail. I'm telling you, y'all, this is a catfish. This thing right here, it just helps me feel like my hair is actually really full, especially coming from an experience where I used to have a full bun, a full ponytail, and now I got that little scrawny thing. So this is definitely super helpful, especially if you're trying to do like the lazy bun, the lazy girl bun type of style, or if you actually need an elegant style. I feel like this goes really well with like a gown or a dress or something, if you have a really nice makeup look with your hair up. You know, like there are so many options with this drawstring ponytail. And on top of that, I love the fact that it's so cheap. This thing cost me like $10 at my local beauty supply. I definitely think this is a really good purchase. She looks real. She look like she's mine, okay? Because she is, because I paid for her, you feel me? So yeah, I mean, that's it. That brings us to the end of the video. I just really wanted to show you guys how I do my little ponytail. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this and it was helpful. And until next time, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.